Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and of course one of the things that I use a lot and that might be interesting for a lot of you is the Google image search. So when you go to the Google page, you can actually click images, and of course there's the image search. But there's actually been improvements in the search. They have now actually improved the way that the searches are done and how it shows up on your computer. So this is an improved way of doing things. Remember that if you are using pictures here, they're not all free from copyrights. A lot of them have copyrights, so you gotta just make sure that you actually know about it. You can of course know the most pictures when you actually put your mouse pointer over them. You see the resolution on the bottom left. So when you click picture, you know it's that resolution. If you want to download it to your computer, you can right click and save image as, and you'll have that picture with the resolution that you've seen here. A lot of changes have been happening. Before it was easier to actually do that, but now it's a little more complicated in some cases, but still. Also, you got collections where you can actually click and add collections of pictures, and there's something called Save Search here. You can actually filter out different types of image searches that might have inappropriate content. And finally, if you're looking for pictures that are free from copyright or of specific resolution, you have the tools on the up part. There's tools here. It's in French, but this is tools. And here you have the resolution, so you can say you want to have big pictures, or you can actually choose the resolution of the pictures. You can say, okay, I want to have pictures that are at least 2048 by 1080, and when you click OK, you'll see only those pictures that are going to show up. You can use or choose the usage type, so you can have with modification authorized, or you can actually reuse. If you choose reuse is permitted, you can actually check out the different resolution and the different images that show up with such and such resolution, and good for reuse. So this is nice for that, because you know that if you actually use for reuse, well, you can use it pretty much everywhere and do what you want, some with modifications and so on. So it's a nice thing to check out, because there's a lot of stuff in there if you're looking for different pictures, maybe for your wallpapers or maybe for some projects. Check it out, and check out the new way that now it is actually even more interesting and kind of a beautiful way of displaying the pictures and the information, for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.